You don't need years of experience to become an AI consultant. Most people think you need to be an expert. You don't. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. Companies don't care about AI tools, they care about results. Right now, most businesses are confused about AI. That confusion is your opportunity. As a consultant, your job is simple. Find inefficiencies, fix them with AI. Step 1. Pick a niche. Not businesses. Think marketing teams, sales teams, operations. Step 2. Find repetitive, expensive problems. Things that take too long, cost too much, repeat often. Step 3. Build a simple AI solution. It doesn't need to be complex. It just needs to work. Step 4. Package it as an offer. Don't sell the process, sell the result. Step 5. Get your first client. Start with people you know, your company, warm connections. You're not just doing tasks, you're solving business problems. That's why consultants get paid more. They create outcomes. If you save a company 20 hours a week, that's worth more than $50. Think in terms of time saved, money saved, revenue created. Once it works, turn it into a repeatable system. Now you can take on more clients without more work. You're not just learning AI, you're using it to create leverage. You don't need permission. You just need to start. If you're enjoying these videos, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you'll know when the next one comes out. Thanks for watching.